guys, welcome back to my channel, Anjelmae. It's been a while since I have my makeup video or makeup tutorial. The reason is I was so busy with school and I have 5 subjects and I had to do all my assessments. But now I only have 1 subject left, so I have time to do it again. So for today's video, I'm going to do this look. But before that, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to be updated every time I have a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to do detail by detail for now because medyo siguro may mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng mga gamit ko. So, I'm going to do it. Sabihin ko kung ano yung mga ginamit ko, kung ano yung mga gagamitin ko. So, first, nag-wash muna ako ng face and naglagay ako ng moisturizer. So, my face is already prepared. So, next, I'm going to put, I will be using my Face Studio Prime for minimizing primer. Next, I'm going to put my foundation. I will be using my Sleek Life Proof Foundation in the shades of LP04. Then next is brow. I will be using my Sleek Makeup Brow Kit in the shades of medium 821. In the neck, this is very important step in putting eyeshadow to prime the lid. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm going to set it with my Maybelline loose powder. This is in the shades of Light 01. Then next, I'm going to use my Faux-Color palette, and I'm going to use the shade. It says Indian Red, but it's like orangey shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to cut the crease. I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible concealer and a flat brush. Next, I'm going to use my color board palette, and I'm going to use this yellow shade here, and I'm going to put it on my cut crease. Then next, maglalagay lang ko ng silver liner. While baking, let's do the contour. I'm going to use my AC contour and I'm going to use this shade for my nose. And then, sweep off na natin yung baking dito. Then, maglalagay pala ako ng eyeliner. I will be using my favorite Maybelline Hyper Sharpening. Gagamitin ko tong L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. Next, I'm going to put my blush. I'm going to use my Savvy Class Blush Cherry. This highlighter, I'm going to use my Barry Cosmic Lights. And I'm going to use the shade. For my lip liner, I will be using my NYX Professional Suede Matte Lip Liner. And for my lippy, I'm going to use my Revlon. For my eyelashes, I will be using this. Guys, ayusin ko lang tong buhok ko and everything. And I will be back for my final look. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on to be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!